keys we will use every time. So here on your screen you can see. Let me share my screen. So first you write the heading Windows shortcut keys. Right, left side of your screen you can see Windows shortcut keys. After that, you start writing from here. That is Windows key plus R. First one is our Windows key plus R. If we press on Windows key and if we press on our R button, then we can open our run menu. After that, you can see Windows key plus E. With the help of this key, we can open our Explorer. Means we can open our drive. Windows Explorer, I'll show you. Muhammad Huzaifa. Muhammad Huzaifa. Sit properly and write. Miftahul Alam. Adnan, you unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good, read one time. From screen you read.
Windows shortcut keys. Windows key plus R. Open the run menu. Windows key plus E. Open Explorer. Alt tab. Switch between open program. Windows key plus up arrow. Maximum current window. Control plus
Maximize.
shift plus
Maximize.
ESC.
Not
Open
maximize.
task manager. Windows key break. Open system.
Wait. Adnan, wait. This way you did. Listen. Windows key plus break. Means here we are using two keys. Understood?
Windows key plus R.
Okay. Yes, continue.
Uh, Windows key plus F. Open search for files and folders. Windows key plus D. Hide display the desktop. Alt plus ESC, switch between programs in order they were copied. Alt later select menu item by undo letter. Control plus ESC, open start menu. Control plus F4, close active document. Does not work with some applications. ALT plus F4, quit active application or close current window. Uh, all spacebar, open menu for active program.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, mute yourself. Amania Jannat, unmute yourself. Okay, read one time. Unmute yourself. Press on it. Press on unmute option. Amania Jannat, press on unmute option. Mehdi As-Saddiq, unmute yourself. Okay, read one time.
Windows key plus R opens the run menu. Windows key plus E opens Explorer. Windows key Alt plus Tab switch between open programs. Windows key plus Arrow.
Mehdi, ALT you read Alt plus Tab key. Alt key plus Tab key.
Alt plus Tab key switch between open
Yes.
programs. Windows key plus up arrow maximize current window. Control plus Shift plus ESC
Escape.
opens
ESC means escape.
Escape opens Task Manager. Windows key plus brick opens System Properties. Windows key plus F opens Search for files and folders. Windows key plus D hide display the desktop. Alt plus Escape switch between programs in order they were opened. Alt plus letter select menu item by underlined letter. Control plus Escape open start menu. Control plus F4 close active document. Close active document does not work with some application. Alt plus F4 quit active application, close current window. Alt plus spacebar open menu for active program.
Okay, very good. Okay, now start writing.